What's up friends? Welcome to my channel. Xiaomi will soon introduce the latest 15T Pro. There have been leaks that provide the new Xiaomi 16 Pro. Taking a closer look, it is likely to come with the MediaTek Dimensity chipset and an octa-core CPU to give the best performance. It will include 12 GB of RAM. There is an AMOLED capacitive touch screen display. This will be a full HD display with excellent resolution and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. There will be under-display optical fingerprint reader. Smartphone has a huge 5500 mAh battery. In terms of photography, the new Xiaomi 15 Pro will compete with this category thanks to its huge 50 megapixel primary sensor and a 50 megapixel front-facing sensor and 256 and 512 GB of internal memory. Phone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.